Clearbrow, North Dallas. 22 Tesla Model S, long range, not the plaid. Full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, no window film, and we ceramic coated over the PPF for that extra slickness. This car, being black, got a full paint correction, decon, couple washes, just so we can get that perfection under that bra. When we wrap these cars, whether it's that one or that one that's a 16, full decon, full correction, everything, because you want that best look, because that's what you're going to look at for the next several years. So rinsing the car off and wrapping it's not the way to go. These things get a thorough prep, and there's a lot of stages to it. So allow your installer time to make it look like this, like that, and the Stealth Vet over there and the F-250 over there that's fully done. It's worth it, even if it's an extra day or two. So I noticed when a lot of people contact me for installs, it's how much time. I know everybody out there, not many, but having an extra car is tough. But just a couple days isn't going to hurt you to have the perfect install. It's worth the wait. So anyway, so let's take a look. 22 Model S, and just getting everything wrapped in. This rubber, it wasn't installed correctly by the factory. I had to take it out and then put it back because I wouldn't be able to wrap these edges. So it sticks up too far out of the car. So just a Tesla issue they need to fix. But coming around, wrapping all these edges in. All this goes underneath. This little fender here has a little flex to it. I can wrap around the backside. Wrapping in all this, that's the fender and the door. Everyday business, no big deal, no trick. Coming around this front, making sure the clarity's there. That's the clarity, look at the reflections. I mean, this hood, I polished on this hood for a little while. It had a lot of debris in it from transit. So to get that flatness, and the good thing is there were no dust nibs at all in it, which is some dirt in the paint from Tesla when they manufacture it. I was surprised to see that, because usually they have something. This car was very clean. It had hardly anything, any issue with the paint. I was really happy with it. I'd keep this one if I could. But anyway, all these moldings, everything gets wrapped underneath. The doors, just depends how the handle's installed. Sometimes I can wrap in here. Sometimes I can. On this one I was able to. All the doors getting fully wrapped in all the way here. Everything's fully wrapped around under that rubber. Fully wrapped around, it's hard to see, but wrapped to here. All the rockers down below, fully wrapped in. Coming around here, all underneath these moldings are A-pillars, fully wrapped around. This guy here is easy enough. They leave enough gap for me to get under that rear quarter window. And notice the clarity in that, nice and clear. Everything just looks fantastic. Getting in here is a little tough. They got, I don't know what this is, but they've got some issues with maybe their welding, I don't know. They leave a lot of splatter. And then coming here, removing the T, putting it back, piece of cake, template in place. All this coming in, wrapped in, no problem. All this stuff's easy. So there it is, full wrap Tesla Model S, 22 model. Looking for all that nice, all this is easy stuff to fully wrap around the backside. The more edge you have on top, the more wear and tear it's going to get from all our seasons and weather and whatnot, and that's just going to make the film start to look bad. Put the film around the backside, you'll look better. So usually you'll find that in your more experienced installers. And again, time. I get it a lot every day. How fast can you get my car done? It's not that we're slow. Typical wrap on a full car is about 4 days. Depending on what we need to do, you bring it in dirty, it's just delays us. I mean, it's just, there's a lot of cleanup and prep that you don't know about that we do. So anyway, there it is. Great job on that one. Great job on that one. The two over there I'll cover later. The one behind it's underway next, and another one outside. So we'll cover all this stuff. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com if you have any questions. I'm Brent, and you can contact me on the business cell, 940-703-8301. There's 3 landlines online on the top of our website, ClearbrowNorthDallas.com if you need us. Thanks. Have a great day.